In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see who has viewed shared documents. By the end, you'll confidently check the list of viewers and their view history for a shared Google document right from the document window. First, open the file. On your screen, make sure the shared document is fully loaded in your browser so the top toolbar and the buttons in the upper right corner are visible. Next, click Viewers in the top right icons. Move your cursor to the top right area of the document, near the Share button and the Collaborator profile pictures. Click the icon labeled Viewers. This opens a panel that shows who has viewed the shared document. You'll see names and, in many cases, when they last viewed it. If you're recording this on screen, pause a moment on this list so it's clear what information appears here. Or go to Tools and then Activity Dashboard. Move to the top menu, click Tools, and select Activity Dashboard from the dropdown. The Activity Dashboard opens in a panel or new overlay on top of your document. Now, check Viewers and View History. In the Activity Dashboard, look for the section that lists viewers and their last viewed times. This is where you can review who opened the shared document and when. Scroll if needed to see the full list. The timestamps help you confirm recent views versus older ones so you can quickly verify engagement. If you're showing this on screen, hover over a few entries so viewers can clearly see the names and times. If the document has only been shared recently, the list may be short. That's normal and simply means there haven't been many views yet. If you see a viewer's name with a recent timestamp, that confirms they accessed the shared document successfully. If a person you expected to see isn't listed, it usually means they haven't opened the file yet. Keep the document open while you review so the information remains visible and up to date. Once that's done, you can close the Activity Dashboard to return to your document. The document itself remains unchanged while you review this information, so there's no risk of editing or deleting content by checking viewers or view history. You're only looking at activity data. At this point, you've used both locations where this information appears, the Quick Viewers icon in the top right and the Full Activity Dashboard under Tools. Use the Viewers icon when you want an immediate glance at who has viewed the document. You have to use the Activity Dashboard when you want a fuller view of the view history right inside the document window. From here, keep the document open if you plan to recheck later. Any new views will appear the next time you open the Viewers panel or the Activity Dashboard. If you're collaborating in real time, you can quickly return to Tools, Activity Dashboard to refresh what you see and confirm new access. You've now successfully seen who has viewed your shared document and checked the view history, all from within the document. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.